Hello everyone, welcome back to the IMS BBA YouTube channel. In this video, we will be discussing the eligibility criteria and the selection process for Symbiosis University. Symbiosis University has multiple campuses across India. Their most famous campus is in Pune. They also have campuses in Bangalore, Hyderabad, Nagpur and Noida. Talking about the eligibility criteria, as per the official website, there is no age limit to apply for the entrance test and through that apply for any of the programs at Symbiosis University. Talking about your 10th and 12th standard, you need to pass your 10th standard boards examination, and when it comes to 12th standard board examinations, if you belong to open category, you need to have a minimum of 50%. If you belong to SC or ST category, you need to have a minimum of 45% in your 12th standard boards. Now, for any of the programs at Symbiosis University, there is no specific subject requirement. So, any combinations of subject is allowed for you to be eligible for any of the courses at Symbiosis University. Talking about the selection process, they have two rounds. Round 1 is appearing for the Symbiosis entrance test or known as SET. If in that test you get a minimum percentile, then you will be called for the round 2, which is personal interview. Now, a Symbiosis entrance test is for 60 marks. So, out of 60, let us say if you get 42, which is 70%, the score will be scaled up to 70 when they are calculating the total composite score. So, out of 70, 70% will be 49 marks. Now, coming to your personal interview, it will be scored out of 30. Based on this total score, a final merit list will be created and then the offer letters will be rolled out to the selected students. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope now you are aware about the eligibility criteria and the selection process for different programs at Symbiosis University. Make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel for such informative videos. Soon we will also release a detailed video on the Symbiosis entrance test paper pattern, the different sections in that paper, as well as what are the important topics to ace that particular test. So thank you so much for watching this video and make sure to subscribe.